Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 1. It is from section 1.2 in College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. We have to answer, is 2 cubed the same as 3 squared? Well, let's see. So 2 cubed means we have 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 more makes 8. Then 3 squared is 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So, no, 2 cubed is not the same as 3 squared. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.